Hey everyone, I'm on the Carnival Mardi Gras and we're in cabin 10481. It's actually one of the square inside cabins. I want to give you a quick tour, so check it out. So again, this is stateroom 10481 towards the aft or the rear of the Carnival Mardi Gras. You can just tap your card here and enter into your room. And again, this is the square stateroom. So when you come in, you can see your bed there. Off to the right hand side, you've got a large mirror, kind of a desk area. There's a little bench in there. I'll show you that in just a moment. Looking back towards the other side, there's some closets back there. You've got some hooks here to hang all of your clothes or hats or different things on. The restroom is right here on the left-hand side. That's the light switch for it. I'll show you that in just a moment. So let's start over here at the back with these closets. There's 3 closet compartments that open up just like this. There's plenty of hangers in there. There's some hooks. There's shelves that fold down on the left-hand side. As well as in here, you're going to find your safe and some shelves that roll out, which are great for shoes or hats or socks, underwear, that sort of thing. So that's the double-sided portion of the closet. Then there's another one here that's the single portion. So if you open that up, in here you're going to find another shelf that folds down, some more hangers, and some more shelves here towards the bottom, plus a full-length mirror. Turning towards the bed here, you're going to find a nightlight on both sides of the bed. These just flip out. Very convenient if you want to read at night. There's also a USB port on both sides of the bed for charging your phone or devices. They've got these little open nightstands as well. Now we have this bed set up as a king size bed. They can split it up and make 2 twin beds out of it. In the middle here, you're also going to find some light switches, which is very convenient at night if you want to turn out the lights. And there's a little shelf here at the top with a light in it as well, perfect for keeping your phone in or your odds and ends. On the other side of the bed here as well, you're going to find a second nightstand, open nightstand, and a light with the USB port in it as well. Turning around here towards the desk, you're going to find a massive mirror, which is great for getting ready. It's got a light all the way around it with a switch here for turning on and off. You're also going to find 4 USB ports here and 3 regular plugs. So there's plenty of plugs in this cabin, way more than I've seen on other ships. Now you're going to see your phone there at the back if you need to call down to the front desk or different areas of the ship. Quite a large desk area here. You've got a couple shelves on the left hand side there, as well as quite a large television. And you've got some drawers here for keeping all your odds and ends in, your medications, your sunscreen, all that stuff, or even clothes right here. Super handy. Now we've also got this cool little bench for sitting on. You can move it around. It even opens up if you want to keep some of your stuff inside there as well. And you've also got a small little fridge here, which is super handy if you did order beverages or water. You can keep it in there and keep all of your drinks cool. Now over here, you're also going to find your main light switches when you come in the door, and there's a slot here for your key card so that all your lights will work. Make sure you put your key card in there to keep your lights working. You're also going to find the climate control right in this area. Now in the washroom here, of course, you've got your cruise ship toilet, but there's some shelving beside it here, which is very convenient to store stuff. There's a little garbage can down there, built-in Kleenex and toilet paper. You've got some towel racks up here above the toilet. And as well, you've got a mirror for shaving here, some cups, you've got your hair dryer. And up here at the ceiling, you do have a plug for your shaver as well. So that's right up here at the ceiling. Now you've got a really nice countertop here with a built-in sink. It's also got a towel bar around the front where you can hold more towels. And of course, a really nice glass shower door, which is much appreciated here rather than a curtain on the Mardi Gras. Now the shower head is fully adjustable. It's removable there. It can go up and down. You've got shampoo, you've got body wash, your controls there, as well as a bar there for shaving your legs. And they do have this retractable line here for drying your clothes or wet bathing suits when you've been out at the pool. And again, this is stateroom 10481 on the Carnival Mardi Gras. It's the square inside cabin. Hope you did enjoy this tour. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Explorer. We've got tons of videos coming up that we'd love to share with you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy cruising.